In this video, you'll learn how to manage follow-ups on a deal in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. Staying on top of follow-ups is essential for keeping deals moving forward, and Pipedrive provides a simple way to schedule and track them effectively. Start by navigating to the Deals section from the left-hand sidebar. This will take you to your main pipeline view, where all your opportunities are displayed. From here, select the specific deal you want to manage. Opening the deal will take you to its detail page, where you can see important information such as deal value, stage, status, and the people involved. Think of this page as the control center for that particular opportunity. Next, locate the Activities area within the deal and switch to the Activity tab. This section allows you to add and view activities that are directly linked to the deal. Keeping follow-ups here ensures everything stays organized and connected to the opportunity. Now, create a new activity. Start by giving it a clear and descriptive title, such as Call to Review Proposal, so you immediately understand its purpose later. You can also add notes to provide additional context or reminders about what needs to be discussed. Select the appropriate activity type, such as a call, meeting, email, or general follow-up. Then choose a suitable date and time based on your schedule and sales process. If reminders are available, set one to ensure you get notified in advance and have enough time to prepare. Once all the details are filled in, save the activity. This will schedule the follow-up and link it directly to the deal. After saving, you can monitor all activities related to the deal in the History or Activity Timeline section. This area shows both past and upcoming activities in one place, giving you a complete overview of what has been done and what still needs attention. Use this view to stay organized, avoid missing deadlines, and maintain visibility on your next steps. If you're working with a team, it also helps everyone stay aligned on the progress of the deal and upcoming actions. That's all there is to it. To summarize, go to Deals, open the relevant opportunity, add an activity in the Activity tab, and track everything through the deal's history. By consistently managing follow-ups in Pipedrive, you can keep your deals organized, ensure timely communication, and move opportunities forward with confidence.